HELLA Roklume 380N mining derived LED spotlight is one of the most hardcore LED spotlights we've ever seen. With 7800 lumens and 5000 kelvins of light, this bad boy is going to be able to light up absolutely everything in front of you. With an all alloy housing, a 4mm stainless steel powder coated black bracket and a lot of heat sinks across the back, this light's going to be able to turn night into day with ease. The plug on the back has a 12-volt wiring choke as well, which if you've ever installed a set of cheaper spotlights and found that your UHF communications aren't as good as they used to be, that's why. Now, HELLA's thought of everything, and the standards that they've met with their wiring choke exceeds even genuine manufacturers for interference. It's pretty incredible stuff. The LEDs that you see in here are of course your Osrams, and they're going to be the highest quality LED money can buy. They're specifically designed for shock absorption as well. Being in the mines, the mining trucks are always subject to 24/7 running and some of the harshest roads in the country, and HELLA have brought that into their everyday lights as well. It's a pretty intense bit of kit. What else is impressive about these HELLA Roklume 380Ns is that they've got a non-stick coating around the light. Now that's intentional. LED spotlights do get warm, and with the heat sinks at the back, HELLA do a very good job at dissipating heat. But what can happen in a four-wheel drive scenario is that the light gets clogged with mud, dust and dirt. Now having the non-stick coating means you can just wipe or even wash off with water all the dirt and mud on there, so that it keeps all the air moving freely around the light. And what else? It's got a thick Polycarb lacquered lens on here that's going to allow for no light distortion and maximum longevity of the lens.